In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use pick in TypeScript. So first of all, I'm going to show you how can I write some code. So I'm going to use the Quaka, which is the extension for JavaScript and TypeScript, and you can easily install it. And then if you come over here, you can create a new file and then choose type of the TypeScript, and then you can write some codes here because it's easier to write some codes here. So first of all, let me show you and declare some interface here for the person. So in this person, I'm just gonna have, for example, ID as a number, and the name is a string, and the birthday, for example, birthday is date. And then if I'm gonna create something here, I can say person, which is name, ID, name, Ibrahim, and then birthday is something like date, which is something like this. For example, oops, I forgot to use new. So this is, and if I type it here, I can see the content of this object here. So my purpose is I just provide something, the person with name. For example, I just gonna create new object, for example here, const person with name. So in this situation, I can use pick in TypeScript. So pick is what is gonna do is a kind of selection of the which attribute you want to use, for example. So I'm gonna use person, and then here just say name, and then it's equal, for example, just the name here, and just copy this here. I can see the result person with name here, and I can see the name here easily. Okay. Also, there is possible to say something like I'm gonna use from person dot name, so I can see here. And if I want to add something else, for example, some new attributes to this person with name, I'm just gonna use birth date, for example, and then here I can use this pipe, and then first birth date, and then here I'm just gonna say, hey, this birth date, it's from person dot birth name, birth date. So and if I'm gonna copy this to here, we can see the result. This object has person with the name and birthday here. So as you can see, pick is a kind of selection which attributes from main object you want to choose, and that's very nice command to use. It's hopefully it's makes sense for you. And if you have any question, ask me in the comments. So also, if you find this video helpful for you, I would be appreciate to give it thumbs up. See you later. Bye.